A belt that can talk to you? Let's learn about it. Every year we all witness an excess of gadgets that promise to make our lives easier. Almost every product manufacturer today bombs us with so-called smart and innovative projects, but many of them are completely useless and make no sense. But these do stand a chance to be seen by the world to realize that great technology isn't the solution to everything. So let's talk about some of the things that are unnecessary gadgets. Without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, the USB Pet Rock. Yeah, it's as ridiculous as it sounds. It's an upgrade to the original Pet Rock. The USB upgrade is now smarter. You can simply plug the USB cable into a free port and let the USB Pet Rock do its magic. And unlike other pets, it doesn't make noises, doesn't poop on your sofa, and isn't needy as heck. In fact, it doesn't do anything at all. You just put it there among the stack of papers, introduce it as your pet, and tell stories about it. You'll love this piece of rock like Patrick Star loved his. And because it doesn't do anything, it's compatible with any operating system and spec of computer and any power bank. Sadly, like your iPhone 7, it doesn't have a jack, so deal with it, Apple. Next up, the Withings Hair Coach. Next up, we have a hairbrush that's smart. Apparently, the company claims the world's first smart hairbrush provides users with data about the health of the hair, brushing quality, and recommendations on how to comb it better. It comes with multiple sensors, transducers, and microphones that calculate brushing patterns, strokes, and applied pressure. If combing your hair is something you never did right, you can buy this useless gadget at a cost of $200. What's surprising, though, is that this unwanted piece of technology is the collaboration between Withings and two lead cosmetic companies, Kerastase and L'Oreal. In addition, you still feel the need to spend more, the smart brush will recommend you L'Oreal products on your smartphone. Jeez.
Hairbrush. It's the Kerastase Hair Coach, and it's been developed in partnership between L'Oreal, Kerastase's parent company, and Withings, the French wearable tech startup that was recently bought by Nokia. Now, this is how it works. When you brush your hair, and you have to have hair that's chin length or longer, so unfortunately it's no good for me, but a microphone will listen to the sound of your brushing and determine how frizzy your hair is. In addition, there's a conductivity sensor to measure how wet and how much moisture is kept in your hair. Finally, as you brush, a gyroscope inside will monitor the motion of your hand, and if you get a little bit too rough, the handle will vibrate to tell you that you need to lay off a little bit. Now, this is coming out at some point in the next 6 months.
Next up, air-conditioned shoes. These air-conditioned shoes promise a refreshing comfort during the summer. They're lightweight and popular, selling 6.7 million pairs from 2003 to 2016. It has features like moisture-permeable outsoles, mesh insoles laced with EVA, deodorizing, and antimicrobial elements. It also has a shock absorption system, all within this classy leather look. Sounds dope, but think of how ridiculous this is. You're wearing a shoe with an AC unit in it. If you don't blow anyone away with every step you take, then I don't know what the deal is. It comes in different designs and a sandal model too if you're into those. Actually, that sounds kinda cool. Next up, the Hush Me voice mask. With the increase of use in face masks, companies decided to innovate and make a mask that basically hushes your talking. It'll let you talk on the phone without disturbing others or maybe even protect your speech privacy. The Hush Me voice mask wraps around your mouth and muffles the sound of your voice with the help of insulation. It comes with a preset sound option, which if enabled will only play preset sounds that people nearby you will hear. All these presets include the sounds of a monkey, squirrel, minion, and more that'll only make you look even more stupid and annoying to people around nearby. Also, we can't help but think of Bane's iconic look whenever we see this. Hopefully no one buying this product is going to break the bank to get it. Next up, the remote control cushion. Another piece of annoying technology that tops the list of useless gadgets is a remote control cushion that replaces your often misplaced TV remote control. This remarkably ugly pillow might not cost you more, but it's surely the new level of laziness. At a cost of $50, this remote control cushion is compatible with more than 500 devices. When not using it as a remote, you can hug this pillow and may even rest your head only to listen to the rhyming clicks. Don't get shocked if your TV turns on at midnight when you're trying to sleep comfortably. Next up, Belty the Smart Belt. Another object we use on a daily basis that received the Smart upgrade, this smart belt claims to be the only intuitive and independent wearable that uses AI in making you healthier. The website says the product can increase energy levels, improve wellness, and ensure that you don't get a ticket from the fashion police. It also helps you be better when doing simple tasks like walking, climbing stairs, and simply sitting idly. It can even talk to you as it sends you. Anyway, that's it for the video today. Which gadget do you think is the most useless out of all of them? And which gadget do you want to buy out of these? Be honest. Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. We'll see you next time.